Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We are so happy to have you here. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for all your supports and love and comments. It really helps us improve our videos, so if you have an opinion, please comment below. In today's video, we are going to pack for our one-day road trip to Kashan. So if you're interested in packing tips or something like that, stay with us today because this video might help you. I was a hard person for going to travel with because 1 year ago, if I wanted to plan a travel or a short trip, I brought up my suitcase and gathered a lot of stuff and take that with me, and it was so difficult for me because I had to brought all this stuff from one place to another place, and it was so heavy and it was so difficult. And now, after going to multiple trips and travels, I learned how to travel easier and pack fewer stuff with me because you didn't need any of this additional stuff you brought. And because of that, if you're like the same old me, I want you to watch this video to know what should you pack for a one-day road trip. So what should we brought for our one-day road trip to Kashan? I will explain what am I bringing for this road trip, so this would be a good guide for you to pack your bags for your one-day trips. First of all, we will start with this item. I brought my credit cards and driver's license and other things. I brought some water wipes. I brought my sunscreen cream, some tissues, my car licenses, and some painkillers just in case, and my AirPods. Second of all, I brought my keys. I got some alcohol here for cleaning our hands, for eating food or something else. I brought a long sock because I'm so afraid of insects, and I brought them just in case to put on. I brought this scarf, a hat if the weather got cold. This is my sunglasses, and a hat, and this is our tomorrow's lunch for Melly and I. It looks delicious. We should brought some cold sandwiches, and we decided to buy these. And I will bring this travel mug for tea and something else, and I will bring 2 bottles of water because I got thirsty on trips, and just in case we didn't find some water to drink. So let's go and see what am I going to wear. So let's see what am I going to wear. I'm going to wear these trousers. It's a slash one and it's very comfy for me. And this is a scarf and a long sock with teddy bear on it. It's really cute. I really like this sock. And this shirt and my puffer. And most important of all, I will put on these sneakers because they are really comfy and I can walk with them. Hello everyone, we're heading to our one-day trip to Kashan and it's almost 3 a.m. and nobody is in the street. Yeah, no one. And now we're just getting it started. Hello. In this part of the video, I want to talk to you about 3 mistakes I have made during this travel, and I want to let you know that. The first mistake I have been made during this travel was my clothes weren't appropriate for traveling to Kashan because based on our latest trip to Berenjestanak, which is located in the north of Iran, it got so cold there and we were freezing at the end of our trip, and I thought the Kashan is the same way, and I chose some warm clothes to put on, and they weren't really very warm. They were kind of the clothes you wear in autumn season. And when we got there, it was hot and it was a sunny day, and I got burnt out in that clothes. So the most important thing you can keep you in mind is that you should choose appropriate clothes for your trip and check the weather before your trip. The second mistake I have made during this travel was that I bought cold food the day before our travel, because our tour guiders told us that we weren't supposed to have lunch during this travel, and I bought fast food the day before the trip, and it was so heavy for me and it was so expensive during the travel, and I had to carry around all the food in my backpack, and it was so hard for me. And in the afternoon, the tour guide told us that we are supposed to stop by a restaurant and eat a delicious meal. And it was one of my other mistakes. Please ask your tour guiders what is the situation for the meals during this travel. The third mistake I have been made was that I forgot my sunscreens, and this is the terrible mistake you can make in a city like Kashan, because it was so warm and the sun shines out there, and I forgot my sunglasses and sunscreens, and I got burnt out, and it was really terrible. And the last mistake I made was the time we chose to travel to Kashan. Keep that in mind that the best season to visit Kashan for the Rose Flower Festival is between May and June. Even 1 week sooner than this part of the time might be awful, because I don't like Kashan myself, and it's a really small city, and I only went there to see the Rosewater festivals. And because we went there soon, because our tour guiders told us no, there is Rosewaters and you can attend in the festival and something, we went there and there was nothing. I was dreaming of walking in the farm and picking up roses and attending the festival, but there was nothing, and we only look at the farm, have a glimpse at the farm, and that was it, and it was awful. And this is the last mistake we took apart in this travel, and hope you didn't repeat it.